Handy hints and tips to accelerate your affiliate marketing earnings. Nobody can sit down in a car and drive like a pro their first time. You're bound to grind the gears and smack a light post or two. That's just the nature of inexperience. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You're not going to do well unless you have experience. Check out these tips from the experts and work to gain your experience. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Integrating affiliate marketing offers into a website's content will make affiliate agreements more productive. A simple banner ad is never as effective as an in-depth video that points out the strengths of an affiliate's product. Merging affiliate offers with website content draws the website's readers deeper into the sales pitch and will be more persuasive than separated advertisements. Let your affiliates help. If you have an affiliate program, let your affiliates do the promotion work for you. Offer them an incentive and they will be happy to do it. Your affiliates should have good-sized networks in place, and when they publicize your videos, your website traffic will jump. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. You can avoid hitting the proverbial light pole as long as you're working hard to learn about the business of being an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is unlike anything else on the web, so the tactics you use for other businesses may not work here. Use what you've learned in this video when success is your ultimate goal. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.